Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will show you some of the t-shirts that I've been picking up lately. Some of the t-shirts that I just like to wear during the summertime. This is a basic white t-shirt with two black letters across each other on the chest. It is this mesh material and that's basically all. This is a t-shirt with an all over snake print. It says Berlin across the chest, and at the top it has this mesh kind of material. It's a very soft and thin t-shirt, so it's perfect for the summertime. This is an all black t-shirt with the number 3 gold on the chest. At the sides it got this mesh material with golden stars, and that's basically it. This is a white t-shirt with 2 stars at the shoulders, 2 black stripes at the bottom. It got like leather arms. You should probably go a size up with this t-shirt because it shrinks very easily when you wash it. This is a short sleeve hoodie with an all over splatter print. It got these pockets at the bottom, and it also have a hoodie. It's very thin, so it's perfect for the summertime. So, yeah.